What turns a form builder into a game changer? When it solves real problems for real organizations at scale. From nonprofits and universities to global event producers and membership organizations, teams everywhere are under pressure to move faster, do more with less, and manage increasingly complex data. That's where Jotform Enterprise changes the game. With thousands of boats and locations worldwide, Freedom Boat Club relies on efficient, consistent inspections to keep its members safe. But paper forms were slowing teams down and pulling focus away from the work itself. By digitizing forms with Jotform Enterprise, teams can conduct inspections with mobile devices, streamlining the entire process. Body Brave supports individuals with eating disorders, where timely access to care is critical. They needed complex, compassionate intake forms that wouldn't create barriers for people seeking help, all while working with limited nonprofit resources. Jotform Enterprise made it possible to design forms that connect people to immediate intervention. Michael Castle Group produces world-renowned theater shows where accurate, connected data is essential, from ticketing to production logistics. Before Jotform Enterprise, new data didn't easily sync with existing data in Salesforce. Now, submissions flow seamlessly into their CRM, keeping teams aligned and informed. The South Carolina Independent School Association serves its community by holding statewide events and professional development. Paper-based processes created one problem. A lack of actionable data presented another. Using online forms, conditional logic, and a no-code app changed static stacks of paper into dynamic experiences. Form filling is faster, follow-up is automated, and data is immediately actionable. At the University of Michigan, even small inefficiencies multiply quickly across departments. Jotform Enterprise helps standardize and automate workflows, reducing manual effort, saving time, and cutting costs. The Arbor Day Foundation coordinates programs and tree plantings worldwide. Previously, their team relied on emails and paper-based processes to track critical information. With Jotform Enterprise, all event data lives in one centralized system, easy to manage, update, and trust. Different missions, different challenges, one common result. Jotform Enterprise doesn't just replace paperwork, it removes friction, simplifies complexity, and empowers teams to do their best work. That's why customers across industries call it a game changer. Discover what Jotform Enterprise can do for your organization. Contact our team or click the links below to learn more.